So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get these updates every time I post them. So I'm gonna review gold again. I think we're mostly gonna do gold on the channel. Sometimes we'll jump to currency pairs, like GBP USD, Euro USD, maybe some of the indices. But yeah, let's get into it. So I expected to sell from this point when we got the rejection, but this is in the 4H time frame. So what are we looking at next? I'm looking at this low here. We'll see the reaction at that low there and maybe take off some of the position. Like I said, they lined up with this point of resistance there, right there, and now we're fighting this low there, which is also a pivoting price, right? So we'll see what price does, but I'm still expecting lower prices. If I had to go and pull up the extension, so you can see the extension sees gold trade below this low here, but I'm not interested in that. It's too far gone. What I'm looking at is for this imbalance to be filled and for price to come back down to this zone here. So we'll see based on that. But the Fibonacci retracement tool from that time, the low sees negative 27 at the exact price point where it is. I'm looking for that extension towards negative 27 for gold. So yeah, that's it for gold. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get these updates every time I post them.